Warehousing, retail, and manufacturing are changing at high speed on a daily basis. And now finally, technology has caught up with the rate of change. Introducing the Toughbook FZ-T1 5-inch rugged handheld. An LCD daylight readable screen means productivity's up when the sun's out. And pen input means precision at all times. If accidents happen, damage isn't a problem, thanks to rugged design that can withstand 150 centimeter drops. All of this rugged performance doesn't come at the cost of battery life. Runtime is 12 hours. And there is an optional multi-bay charger. The battery can even be swapped without powering the device off. And you're free to use your FZ-T1 with or without touch, using built-in voice picking capabilities. For maximum safety and connectivity on the move, there are optional robust secure vehicle mounts. Telephone communication is easy in the noisiest of environments due to a triple mic and noise suppressor. Because more speed means more efficiency, the inbuilt barcode scanner delivers 5 scans per second. And the integrated barcode reader can read 44 types of 1D or 2D barcode. For fully accurate, real-time image capture, you can call on an integrated professional back camera with LED light. It weighs just 230 grams and has a slimline 13.1mm design. Rain mode allows accurate input when things get wet, and because we know that protective workwear is sometimes a necessity, the 5-inch touchscreen can be operated by users wearing gloves. For user convenience, the FZ-T1 has easy push trigger buttons on both sides, for right or left-handed operators. Indoors, an optional ergonomic gun grip makes it easy to scan up to 2 meters. The Toughbook FZ-T1, the multitasking, multi-skilled, multi-sector device that gives you the perfect blend of style and substance.